Creating screencast video and uploading on YouTube. Part 2. For uploading video on YouTube, you need to have two requirements fulfilled. The first is you must have a recorded video, and the second is that you must know the file path, that is the location where your recorded video is saved on your computer. In order to upload video, one now must move to the website youtube.com and enter or log in using details of google.com website, that is Google account. And after you have logged in using your Google account, you need to click on this button here, which is for this very purpose, to upload a video on YouTube. So once you click on this link, it will ask for selecting the file which is to be uploaded on youtube.com, and here you need to select your file which is to be uploaded on youtube.com and then click on open. Now the video is being uploaded on youtube.com, and depending on the length of the video and the quality of the video, this may take some time. Meanwhile, one can give a name to this video and add certain description on about what the video contains, which may interest the users. Sometimes the creator may also add tags to the video content, which will facilitate the users to search the video easily. And then the user can click on the button publish. This will now publish the content on the website youtube.com, and in order to share this content with the viewers, for our case it will be our students, you may need to copy this link, and this link will be helping us to embed this video or to share this video with our students by incorporating this in our Moodle site. So if we copy this link and paste it in the search bar here or in the address bar above, you will easily reach the video we uploaded on youtube.com. So the process of uploading a video on youtube.com, and once we have uploaded a video, we can now focus on how to embed this video on our Moodle course. So we will pause the video for a minute now, and on a rough sheet write the reasons to upload video on youtube.com. After you have written your reasons, let's see how many reasons are matching with what I have thought of. The website youtube.com offers us a storage space which is available for all the users. The content can be accessed 24/7 by all the students at any location they prefer. The videos uploaded on youtube.com can be easily linked to our Moodle course created on genomio.com, or even if you are using moodle.org website. Videos are available across various devices from smartphones to laptops, desktops, and the students have the flexibility to see it directly on the YouTube website, or they can access the Moodle courses, which also are optimized for various platforms. The content is free of cost, accessible to both learners and for teachers also. There is no added cost factor involved. Thus, now we are able to upload a video on youtube.com and share this with our students through our Moodle course. Thanks for patient hearing. Keep sharing.